In today's fast paced digital world, business success is no longer about reaching more people, it's about reaching the right people. This is exactly where Facebook ads became a game changer. Facebook is not just a social media platform, it is one of the most powerful advertising platforms in the world, with billions of active users across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Facebook ads allow business to show their products or service directly to people who are most likely to be interest of wasting money on random advertisements. Facebook ads focus relevance. One of the strongest future of Facebook ads is advanced sorry, trade trading. Strongest future of Facebook ads is advanced targeting. You can target users based on location, age, gender, interest, behavior, online activity, and even purpose intent. You can also redirect people who have visit your website, watch your videos, or with your page before. This means you are advertising to people who already know your brand. Brand. A successful Facebook ad campaign depends on three key elements: audience, creative, and message. Audience. First, audience selection. If your advice is wrong, even the best and will fail. Knowing your customers' problems, needs, and mm, is the foundation of success. Second and second, add creative. Your image or it should be clear, effective, and immediately engaging within. Third, add copy. Your message should be simple, clear, and focused on benefits. People don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. Another major advantage of Facebook ads is budget flexibility. You don't need a big is investment investment uh, investment to start. Even with a small budget, you can test different educes creative and message to find what works best. Facebook ads also provide real-time data and analysis. You can track impressions, click leads, and conversation. This data helps you optimize your campaigns and improve performance constantly. Unlike traditional advertising, Facebook ads are scalable, controllable. You can stop, edit, or sales ads anytime. Scale ads anytime based on performance. For business that want fast traffic, uh, quick leads, and growth, Facebook ads are one of the most effective digital marketing tools. So if you master Facebook ads, you gain the ability to grow any business online, locally or globally. So start learning Facebook ads today, because paid investing when done right, has the power to transform your business future.